Welcome to Indie Filmmakers, my name is Chris and today we are going to do a tutorial about lighting. Are you guys asking yourself, why are my images looking so flat or why do they have unwanted shadows? I'm going to show you how to set up your light for the perfect shot, because it's all about lighting. 4 important points of lighting are the quality of light, the direction of light, the color of light, and of course the quantity of light. A lot of times people think the lighting is bad because there isn't enough light, but there are also a lot of situations when there is enough light but the footage still looks bad. That can happen because of the wrong direction of light, or the color of light, or that the light is too hard. Key light is the main light for lighting up your subject, and you can put the key light in different positions depending on the look you want to create. In most occasions you position the key light just above the subject in an angle of 45 degrees. You can place the light on the left side or on the right side of the camera, so you can create a shadow on the subject and that will give you more depth. That's called a drop shadow. By doing this you will already get a more cinematic look. This was the first lighting video of many, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at Indie Filmmakers.